looks so cool. If you want to see how I created this upcycled bucket hat, keep on watching. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Charmaine Marie and I make videos all about fashion, beauty, and design. Today I'm super excited to share how I made this DIY upcycled bucket hat from a pair of Zara pants that actually didn't fit me, so I wanted to find a way that I could still wear them because I just love this print so much. So I created a bucket hat. This bucket hat was super easy to make, so let's get into the tutorial. I started out this DIY by finding a bucket hat pattern online, and I'll put a link to the pattern that I used in my description box. Using this bucket hat pattern, I cut out double the amount of fabric so I could create 2 whole bucket hats in order to sew together at the end. I followed the pattern directions by cutting out all the pieces on the fold. I pretty much used the pant leg of my Zara pants in order to get all of the pieces. Once I had all the pattern pieces cut, I pinned all of the pieces on the sides to get ready to sew. After sewing all of your pattern pieces, it is time to start assembling your bucket hat. So the first thing that you want to do is take your brim and your band and put them right sides together. After putting your brim and your band together, you want to pin the side seams. After pinning the side seams, pin the middle of the bucket hat and then start putting pins all around. This really helps to flatten out the fabric so you don't have any creases. After your bucket hat is pinned all the way around, you can sew. After our base and brim are sewn together, it is time to add the top piece of your bucket hat. After the top piece is pinned all the way around, you can sew. Now that we have both of our completed bucket hats, we're going to put them together to sew to finish out our creation. The final steps to completing this bucket hat is to turn one of your bucket hats that you created inside out. You're going to place right sides together of the bucket hat. With right sides together, you're going to pin your bucket hat in place to get ready to sew. You want to make sure to leave a small opening on your bucket hat so you can turn it inside out after you finish sewing. For my bucket hat, I only sewed 1 stitch all the way around, but feel free to add 5 to 6 stitches all around your bucket hat if you want to customize your style. And there you have it, a super easy DIY bucket hat. I think I'm gonna make a lot more out of some old clothes that I'm no longer wearing. You can make a cool bucket hat out of it. I love it so much. Be sure to subscribe and follow for more content like this. I'm on Instagram and TikTok at Crafts by Charmaine, and I'm here on YouTube, the Charmaine Marie. Comment down below and let me know if you enjoyed this video and if there's other upcycle video ideas that you all want me to make. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.